I should turn around, so this is for the back. What happens is I start on my left foot, and I take a step forward on my right foot on a diagonal. So it's my line of dance, I'm going to step towards diagonal wall. So I'm going up to toes, and then I turn a quarter, and I take a side step. Now I'm going to step back towards diagonal center, right? So I'm going to step back, and then I'm going to take a side step. And I'm going to step forward on this diagonal, and I go straight side. And then I go back on this diagonal, and straight side. That forward and back action is really important because it's going to make it much more leadable. Alright? I'm not saying you can't do it the other way, but it is much more leadable. The other thing we have on this figure is rise and fall. So we start with the right foot, we go heel, and we rise into toes. On the side step, I land on the toe and I lower down to the heel. When I go back, I have no option but to go onto the toe, but I'm going to go up. Up on the toe, toe heel. So I have heel toe, toe heel, toe, toe heel. Or another way to think about it is I'm going up on all the odd counts and the forward and back steps. So I'm going up on the forward step, down the side step, up on the back step, down the side step. So forward and back steps go up, side steps go down. The timing of this, you want to make sure that you're taking your forward and back walks on the odd counts. So I'm going to come over here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Traditionally, it's going to do 4, so you either do 4 or 8. Don't usually do more than that, but you could if you wanted to, and you could foreseeably do fewer than that. All right. So we can do them to the right, we can do them to the left. All right. So what happens is now with our partner, we're going to take a loose dance position. So I'm going to come over Carla here. So I'm going to again start here. So I've got my dance position. I'm going to loosen it up. Right. So I'm going to get a little bit more distance from her than usual. When I take my first step forward, I'm going to step outside partner. So far everything we've done has been what's called in line. So I'm going to have her back to you for a second so you can see this. Normally when I step forward on my left foot, when I take my right foot forward, I step between her feet, right? And this has been the walks that we normally do. Outside partner means that I'm going to step on one side of her here, or I can step forward outside here. And there's two different types of outside partner. We'll use both in this case. So when we start a grapevine, I start forward on the right foot, outside partner. She's on my right side. Take my first step, right? As I take my side step, I'm going to shift her over to my left side. Good. Now she's going to step forward, outside partner. I'm going to step back. I'm going to now shift her back to my right side on the side step. And I repeat this. Forward, I shift her to my left. Back, I shift her to my right, and so on, and so forth. Okay? Thank you. So then, in terms of getting this started, as you see normally for all the figures we've done so far, we only ever have the left free at the end of these. So if I want to free up my right foot, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take one walk forward slow. Slow. And then I step forward on my right foot to start with my grapevines. The thing to pay attention about is, as I take that step forward on my left foot, I'm going to take my left side slightly forward. Don't overdo this. If you do too much, you're going to make her turn. So I'm just going to take this left side, go slightly forward, slow. And if you want to kind of cheat this a little bit, I can take my step ever so slightly to the left, diagonally, right? To create a window for myself to prepare to step outside partner on the right foot. So my preparation then is slow, and then I can do mine for 8, however many grapevines I want. To end this whole thing, what happens is, we're doing our grapevines, 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm going forward, this is one of many options, I'm going to do half a box. So I'm going to slow her down. I'm going to step outside partner slow, and I'm going to now, rather than taking a straight side step down my hands, I'm actually going to cut her off. I'm going to turn a quarter, quick, so that she cannot continue with the grapevines. I'm going to basically go right at her. So again, I go from diagonal center, or excuse me, diagonal wall, slow. I'm going to stay more or less in that trajectory, quick to cut her off. So ladies, what you'll feel is that as you're doing your grapevines, 1, 2, 3, 4, first of all, it'll slow you down. So this is going to become a slow step now. Slow. He's going to cut me off. And again, my job is to stay towards his hand. So I'm going to stay with him, wait for him to get past me, and then I'll take my side step, and that will make sure to stay in his hand. We had a whole discussion about inside nesting turn. I'm going to put that on another discussion tape for some other day. But just be aware that you ladies, for those of you who are in class today, you're on the inside of turn, so you will ultimately be taking a very short step. So altogether, it looks